Welcome to the video. My name is Jay. This is Jay Investing. So today we're going to be talking about cybersecurity stocks, in particular 4 that I'll put on screen now, and why I have personally put into them. And yeah, let's just get into it. So the 4 companies we're talking about today are CrowdStrike, Okta, and of course Zscaler. Now, some of you may have already heard about this because I found out through them from the Motley Fool just before the stock market crash that happened a few weeks ago. And when that stock market crash happened, I thought, okay. And I read the Motley article and basically saying about cybersecurities and them being the future and, all this other malarkey and stuff. And I thought to myself, okay, I'll have a look at this because I had some underperforming penny stocks in my portfolio that were really dragging it down over 50%. Like, no one's fault. No one's fault at all. Penny stocks have took a massive hit lately. So I thought, okay, if I add these to my portfolio and do a rebalancing, let's see what happens with them. So as you can see on screen now, they have gone green. I bought them not the lowest point of the drop, but when they were on their way back up, I bought them and I thought, okay, this is good. And I do believe that cybersecurity is the future. But why do I believe cybersecurity is the future? Well, with cybercrime on the rise more and more, with the coronavirus pandemic, with everything like that, we have noticed things being hacked, government systems being taken advantage of, scams, everything, all these sorts of things. People getting DDoS, networks going down, websites getting botted. It is now more important than ever that cybersecurity is improved before we get to that next stage, not evolutionary line, which isn't going to involve tech. Elon Musk is building this brain chip thing, and if we do not have the resources to protect people who get that chip in their brain or whatever, then we are screwed. People will be getting hacked and being rickrolled in their head, which is no fun for anyone. The other reason I believe in cybersecurity is because it's never really been a big thing. No one really liked antiviruses. No one really liked buying one, or, if you got that free Norton on your PC, you'd be like, oh, get rid of it. I don't like it. Get Windows Defender. That's fine. Yeah. Now it's becoming more and more and more prominent that people want to buy the next decent antivirus. For me, I use Kaspersky and I use their pattern. I use everything to do with Kaspersky. I think they're brilliant and they're updates, and I've never had a problem, apart from when I was trying to install I think it was Uniminer, whatever it's called. Yeah, that's the only problem I've had, because it gave me it wouldn't let me. It just straight up wouldn't let me do it. But cybersecurities, in my opinion, are the future. You have to remember, if we're going into a cyber age, which we are, we've got Bitcoin, we've got Ethereum, everything's going to be crypto, everything's, moving towards that online stage now. Hell, I can't remember the last time I got a proper letter through the door or a bill. So we need these cybersecurity firms. We need them to have government contracts and things like that. And that's where these stocks come in. From the Motley Fool article, basically, they said that it's going to keep growing and growing and growing and growing. There's going to be no stop. In my opinion, cybersecurity stocks are the next big boom. But obviously, we've had a mini crash from the stock market. But I'll read you a little thing from the Motley Fool article now. So I'm just looking at the article now, and it looks like they've actually updated it. I didn't know they updated articles, but apparently they do, because they've got CrowdStrike, Zscaler, Okta. Basically, they're the 3 I bought into, plus another one. And then they've also got another couple of companies here. Palo, Alto Networks. Not sure who they are, but blah, blah, blah. They make firewalls and such, etc. Yep. You got Fortinet. Let's just call it Fortinet. You've also, I think that's the end of that list. Nope, there's also something called Splunk. Don't know what that is either, but I'm going to have to look at those stocks now as well, because they've updated this article massively. You've got Cloudflare, obviously. Yeah, but basically, the main gist of these stocks is, over the next decade, they reckon there could be a possible 60% to 100% increase, depending on how... Honestly, it all depends on our governments and how much they allow to happen, because our governments live in the 60s, especially in the UK. They won't let us knock down a bloody building that's literally falling down because it's grade 2 listed. But yeah, that's what I mean. Also, there's Global X Cybersecurity EFT. Ooh. They're a newcomer, apparently. I'm going to have to look into all of these stocks, because I am interested in having them in my portfolio. If they are like the next thing that could boost your portfolio like Tesla did or something along those lines. Don't get me wrong, I still think Tesla's a really good buy at this point, but obviously I'm not a financial advisor, so I can't tell you what to do. This is my opinion. I'll put the article in the description, but it is very possible over the next 10 years, I think, especially now, we get in on this early. We could have got in on it even earlier, but if they're $200 a share now, what's stopping them from being $3,000 a share when we've got brain chips in our head? You know what I mean? So yeah. But yeah, that's all this video is. Since I put these in my portfolio, my stocks have gone back to green, which is unusual considering we are still in a GameStop weird world where everything's going like this. But I'm happy I did it because I was down 50% on 2 stocks, which was quite bad. But yeah, I'm very happy I did it. So yeah, thank you very much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. And next video, we will be doing the interesting Ethereum. Yes, the Ethereum thing. We won't get too much into it. I don't want to give too much away. But yeah, thank you very much for watching. See you all next time. Goodbye.